loves that thing.
That's what's killing that tree. Come on, pick some wood. I want to see the wood flying off. Come on, buddy. There it goes. Come on. You're just getting the bugs.
Yeah, because they're all open.
That's what they go for. It's a pretty good sized woodpecker. I had not seen one that large, to be quite honest. I've seen a lot of them. Not up here, but I
didn't realize they had that red hat, like
woody woodpecker. They have different ones. I've seen ones without it, but that one, this is the biggest one versus there goes to see the wood. Let's go on the other side. He's very deliberate.
Uh-huh.
Oh, come on, dude. It's like he's trying to take the tree down because he's like going around in a circle around it. Yeah, normally you see him go like this, so this guy's a different type.
No, he was doing that earlier. Before you started filming, he was hitting it.
I mean, the wood was really flying off before we started filming. There he goes. He's going lower. That's why all that wood's on the ground now we really know. That's the first time I've seen something actually physically taking wood off that tree. Yeah, there's always wood shards. He is a huge one. He's got to be by far the biggest one I've ever seen by a wide margin. It's got to be a different type than I normally see. He is like plump.
It's because he's been eating your tree.
Look at him go, yeah. Jeez.